Unlock your coding potential and write code at the speed of thought with GitHub Copilot in Visual Studio Code. First, we need to ensure you have Visual Studio Code installed. If you don't, head over to the official Visual Studio Code website and download the latest version for your operating system. Once installed, open Visual Studio Code. Next, navigate to the Extensions view. You can access this by clicking on the square icon in the sidebar, or by using the keyboard shortcut in the search bar at the top of the Extensions view. Type GitHub Copilot. You should now see the official GitHub Copilot extension. Look for the one published by GitHub. Click the Install button to add it to your Visual Studio Code environment. Once the installation is complete, you'll likely be prompted to sign in with your GitHub account. This is a crucial step, as Copilot uses your GitHub credentials to authenticate and access its services. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize the extension. With GitHub Copilot installed and authorized, you're ready to experience its magic. Simply start writing code in your editor, as you normally would. As you type, Copilot will analyze your context, including existing code, comments, and file names. You'll begin to see AI-powered code suggestions appear directly in your editor. These can range from single lines of code to entire blocks, all generated to match your current coding task. You can accept a suggestion by pressing the Tab key. Copilot is incredibly versatile. It can help you generate boilerplate code, implement algorithms, write tests, and even discover new ways to solve problems. Explore different ways to provide context through comments or function names to get the most relevant suggestions. Whether you're working with Python, JavaScript, Java, or many other languages, GitHub Copilot acts as your AI coding partner, accelerating your development workflow and making your coding sessions more productive. Happy coding!